Hello friend, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to cover very important topic that the concept is known as NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Before start the video, it's my humble request to everyone, please watch entire video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Now question is that when NABARD started, why it started, and before NABARD who was handling the thing. So before NABARD, the thing, every things related to agriculture and rural development handled by three institute. The first one is ADRC, that is Agriculture Refinance Development Corporation. Second is ACD, that is Agriculture Credit Development. And third is RPCC, that is Rural Planning Credit Cell. So before NABARD, there were three institutes, those who were handling the thing, all the matters related to agriculture and rural development. Afterward, all these three institutes, they were converted into one concept and one institute, that is called NABARD. Now what is NABARD, when it started, and what are the function, that everything we are going to cover in this video. So full form of NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. This concept first time introduced on 12th July 1982 on the recommended action of B. Sivaraman Committee. So this committee recommended to stabilize NABARD, the bank which can work on a national level for the development of agriculture and rural development. Next, when NABARD started, that time it started with 100 crore initial capital. इसका मतलब है जब NABARD स्टार्ट हुआ था तो उसकी जो इनिशियल कैपिटल थी that was 100 crore. Then NABARD is known as the Apex Bank for Agriculture and Rural Credit. Apex Bank का मतलब होता है NABARD is not directly deal with the farmers, and NABARD is not directly deal with the rural people. NABARD is a apex bank. They appointed various institute, and with the help of institute, they do developmental measures for agriculture as well as rural area. Now, next question is, what are the role and functions of NABARD? Number one, NABARD, as I told you, NABARD is an apex body. मतलब ये head body है. So all the responsibility provided or distributed among the various small institutions, such as जो भी functions in NABARD के related to agriculture and rural development, it is performed through cooperative banks, commercial bank and RRB, that is a rural regional bank. Next is to promote and develop financial institution. गाँव एरिया में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन डेवलप करना, इट इज़ अ मेन फंक्शन ऑफ NABARD. Next, to inspect district and state cooperative bank and RRB. It means that to supervise how cooperative bank work at a district and state level, then what are the performance and role of RRB toward the agriculture and rural development. To inspect this all the work done by NABARD. It means that उनके सारे काम supervise कौन करता है? NABARD करता है. Next is to reduce regional inequality in the availability of finance. As we know very well, in our country, some regions are rich and some are poor in nature. So to avoid NABARD performing very important role, that is, it reduce regional inequality. It is helping farmers as well as rural people to get a fund easily. So NABARD, the main role of NABARD is to reduce regional inequality and provide them fund facility. Next is to introduce innovative in the form of new scheme, or we can say to introduce innovation in the form of new scheme. मतलब नए नए स्कीम जो इनोवेटिव स्कीम है वो इम्प्लीमेंट करना, उसके थ्रू डेवलपमेंट करना, इट इज़ द मेन रोल एंड फंक्शन ऑफ NABARD. Next is, now what type of changes, or we can say what type of policy measures taken by NABARD. So agriculture finance by NABARD. Number one policy measure undertaken by NABARD is microfinance. This concept first time introduced in 1992 and it was a pilot project. पायलट प्रोजेक्ट का मतलब होता है जो प्रोजेक्ट शॉर्ट लेवल पे स्टार्ट किया जाए, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए स्टार्ट किया जाए, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पायलट प्रोजेक्ट. And microfinance, it providing financial help to all the micro entrepreneur including farmers also. माइक्रो फाइनेंस का मेन मोटो था कि जो छोटा से छोटा फार्मर्स हो या जो छोटे लेवल पे जो बिजनेसमैन है उनको हेल्प करना. देन माइक्रो फाइनेंस वर्क थ्रू SHG, that is self help group. Now self help group, in this thing, all the farmers and small businessmen and villagers, they come together, they form a group, and afterward they helping each other in a financial way. Now microfinance facility generally benefited to marginal farmers, landlord, laborer, artisan, craftsman, people engage in a small business activity. इन लोगों के लिए ये कंसेप्ट बहुत ही यूजफुल हुई. नेक्स्ट इज self help group bank linkage implemented by commercial bank, RRB and cooperative bank. As I told you, self help group is a small level group which work on a village level, and all the self help group, this facility linked with the commercial bank, then RRB and cooperative bank. Next is, with the help of microfinance facility which is started by NABARD, 100 million poor families able to get financial facility. Next is tribal development project. This project also started by NABARD. Tribal development project is also called Wadi project in Gujarat. Then this project supported since 1995. This project started in 1995. And what is the main aim behind this project? So NABARD wants to bring innovation, or we can say they wants to bring changes in a lifestyle of a farmers as well as rural people of a Valsad district of Gujarat. As we know very well, in Valsad district of Gujarat there are many poor and rural people, those who are just finding job. So to provide them job opportunity, NABARD has started Wadi project in Gujarat since 1995. Now what is the main objective behind this project? So first is elevation of poverty. Elevation means to remove poverty from a Valsad district of Gujarat. Then restoration of forest land. See, in Valsad, if you will go toward the Valsad, then you will find there is huge amount of land which is covered with the forest. तो बहुत सारा लैंड कैसा हो गया, अनफर्टाइल हो गया. सो टू यूज़ दैट लैंड अगेन एंड टू डू reforestation. Then checking seasonal migration. As we know very well, still many farmers are depending on monsoon for the agriculture. And when there is off season, they are going here and there for the work purpose. So ये चेक करना कि seasonal migration कितना हो रहा है, ये चेक करने का काम भी इस प्रोजेक्ट में आया. देन कम्युनिटी हाइजीन, लोगों को साफ सफाई, क्लीनिनेस का इम्पोर्टेंस समझाने का काम भी इस प्रोजेक्ट में इंक्लूड किया गया. नेक्स्ट इज more than 4,000 family have developed about 1,400 hectares of margin land with the help of tribal development project, or we can say due to Wadi project in Gujarat. More than 4,000 family, they were able to access 1,400 hectares of marginal land. Next is farm income insurance scheme, that is called FIIS. This scheme introduced in 2003 and 4. The main motto and main objective of this scheme is that to provide income protection to the farmers. To provide income protection to the farmers. इस स्कीम में फार्मर्स को एक गारंटी दी जाती है कि आपको एक मिनिमम इनकम प्रोवाइड की जाएगी, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग गुड, और वी कैन से फिक्स प्राइजेस फॉर देयर प्रोडक्ट. Next, bulk lending support to NGO. Under this scheme, NABARD providing financial help to NGO, that is non-government organization. Next is Kisan Credit Card. This concept first time introduced by NABARD in 1998 to 1999. Then farmers. Now what is the use of Kisan Credit Card? With the help of Kisan Credit Card, farmers can easily get financial facility from a cooperative bank, commercial bank and regional rural bank, that is RRB. Next, Kisan Credit Card loan charge a lower rate of interest. What is the use of KCC? That is, the rate of interest is very less for the loan which is taken by farmers. Then offer flexible repayment schedule. It means that farmers can make a payment, or we can say the farmers can get payment in easy way, in a flexible way. वो अपना पेमेंट easily और flexible way से जब उन्हें उनके पास पेमेंट आएगा तब वो पेमेंट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस एंड कोलेटरल फ्री इंश्योरेंस इज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड. क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस का मतलब होता है फार्मर्स कैन ऑल्सो गेट इंश्योरेंस फॉर देयर क्रॉप विद द हेल्प ऑफ किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड. इवन दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग कोलेटरल फ्री इंश्योरेंस. कोलेटरल फ्री का मतलब होता है कि वेन एवर वी टेक एनी लोन फ्रॉम बैंक तो हमें एक तरह का गारंटी देना पड़ता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोलेटरल. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड farmers can get collateral free insurance facility. Next, the headquarter of NABARD located in Mumbai. An agency executive, or we can say chairperson of NABARD, is Harsh Kumar Banwala. Then NABARD sharing. Now many of the people thinking that NABARD is under control by RBI, but in reality the share of NABARD, जो नाबार्ड है उसमें गवर्नमेंट और आरबीआई का दोनों का शेयर है, बट द शेयर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इज़ 99.60% एंड द शेयर ऑफ आरबीआई इज़ 0.4%. तो ये अगर हम एक तरह से बात की जाए तो नाबार्ड इज़ अ वन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन. नेक्स्ट, recent policy made by or introduced by NABARD. Number 1 policy is Dairy Entrepreneurship Development Scheme. As we know very well, many farmers along with agriculture they do allied activities also. Allied activities like animal husbandry, dairy and all. So डेयरी की वजह से भी बहुत सारे फार्मर्स को जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है. सो डेयरी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट स्कीम नाबार्ड ने स्टार्ट की है. नेक्स्ट इज़ Agriculture and Agri-Business Center Scheme. As we know very well, 65% still depend on agriculture. So agriculture और agriculture से related business को develop करने की स्कीम नाबार्ड ने स्टार्ट की है. नेक्स्ट इज नेशनल लाइवस्टॉक मिशन, मतलब कि जो along with एग्रीकल्चर जो पशुपालन है या जो दूसरे जो बिज़नेस है उनको डेवलप करने के लिए या उनको सेटअप करने के लिए नेशनल लेवल पे एक मिशन नाबार्ड ने स्टार्ट किया है. इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन स्कीम. इट मीन दैट नाउ द नाबार्ड हैज़ डिक्रीज द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन विच इज़ टेकन बाय फार्मर्स. फार्मर्स कैन रेज इफ फार्मर्स आर टेकिंग लोन अप टू 3 लाख. सो 3 लाख के ऊपर उनको 2% ही रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट लगाया जाता है. सो दीज आर द रिसेंट scheme, or we can say development undertaken by NABARD. Friends, I hope this video will definitely help you to clear your doubt about the concept NABARD, and it's my humble request, please watch entire video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you.